Hello, in this video we will check whether the Samsung Galaxy S21 from the European distribution comes with factory installed screen protection. So let's open our smartphone, and when we grab our phone you can see that the screen is completely flat, and when you take a look closer, especially right here, you can see that there we got some kind of the protection film, and it comes from the edge to the edge, and of course it protects against the scratches, and as I said, you can notice it especially here in the camera because we got this some kind of the cut in this film. And when you turn on the screen right now, we cannot see this protection film, and it feels really good. And if you want to protect your smartphone from the deepest scratches and breaks, I can recommend you to put on it the tempered glass. So yes, Galaxy S21 from the European distribution comes with factory installed screen protection. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!